Hello, welcome to Tech Transform. In my last video, I have shown you how to count words of a book, of a text of a book, but so that was the very basic version of that. In this video, I am going to show you how we can improve that the same words count. So the same data set I am using here. If you haven't watched that video, I highly recommend to go watch my last upload on this particular words count, then come to this. Then only you can understand how we are going to improve that particular example in this video. The data set, I am taking the same data set book.txt. The entire text of a book is inside this text file. I'm already written the mm, uh, Spark code for that. So this code is for our last example. Let's see what was the problem with this word count. This was getting punctuation. This was having punctuation signs. This was having it is going to treat as a rare dot as a single word. So basically what we were doing, we were just splitting based upon a space. So wherever it is find a space, apart from that it was treating everything as a word. And also it was not taking care of that lowercase or uppercase. Let's say you have the same word, but the case is different, so it was treating as a different word. Even it is a even the first letter started with a caps, second other letters are small, and in other words whole are caps, whole are small. All words that all the varieties, my previous example, we are treating as a new word, and it is giving a different count. So we have to get rid of those problems, and we have to get rid of this Unicode, get rid of this punctuation and all the signs, so that we can finally have a fruitful word count, so meaningful word count, and it should look better. For that I have created the new Spark program. So this will be looks very similar to last example's code, but some improvement has been made in order to do that. So we have a lot of algorithm is available, uh, understanding, text mining and all those, but we are not going to use algorithm here. We are going to use basic regex, regular expressions in Scala, in order to filter out unwanted punctuation signs and unwanted dot and period signs. And we are going to handle the lowercase or uppercase problem with that. So the usual stuff we have done here, I have done here. So you can see these are the packages what I wanted, I imported. So Spark package, Spark context and log4j. Our main method starts. The very first line is we are going to suppress the unwanted errors, and here we have created we can give no name here, improvat. So this is my new Spark context. It's going to run locally and going to utilize all the cores in a CPU. This I'm getting as a input RDD, raw RDD from the text file itself, book.txt. Okay, from here this entire thing is going to load in this input. Next we are going to split in my last session we have split it based upon only a space. Here I am going to split based upon regex. So how, once a double backslash is coming, so it is going to treat as a regex, and this is a regex expression. There is entire lot of big set of learning involved in regex. We cannot learn right now. I highly recommend, if you want to learn more, you can go to online Spark website and try to find out regex documentation for that. But here what we are going to use, this W means it is going to filter only the words, rest it is going to discard the punctuation signs, Unicode signs, comma signs and all those. So it's going to give you only the words. This regex expression is going to split only on that, and this is going to contains a word, but it is not, this words is not handled based upon us lowercase or uppercase. So what we are going to do, we are going to convert every words in a lowercase, so that once we are So once we are going and applying count by value to, it will give an accurate count. It is going to treat all the lowercase as a single word. Now if we are not going to handle this case, if we are not going to convert all the uppercase or lowercase to lowercase, it is going to treat a different set of varieties of same word, having word is started with a caps locks. All characters in a word is a small, or all characters in a word are caps. It is going to treat a different words. That's why before count by value we are going to convert this words RDD, and converting all words into lowercase, so we will have a finally good conversion of the value in order to get the count. So let me run this. I have already created a run configuration for this. Let me show you. So this is the run configuration I have already. So we're going to improve spark.core.word count. So this is the object name, this is the package name. Okay, let me run this. So see, we got this time you're not able to see any unwanted comma separated functions as a word. See, we are getting now cleanest word here. The data you can see here from the last example are very cleaned and are very appropriate, and is very meaningful. There is no punctuation sign. All are caps. All are small caps. So this is the very good improvement we made so far from the last example. Still we have some improvement made. We don't have the sorting applied here. I still not able to interpret how to know that which words have been used more and which words have been used less. So I don't have that insight still. So that I'm going to cover in the next video. We are going to again improvise this particular example. So thanks for watching. Have a good day, guys. Bye.